Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Inaya Putri Aulia from class A.
And I'm Nur Aziza from class A. This time we will complete the final Speaking for Social Communication project assignment from the lecture Mr. Dwi Adi Nugroho in the form of an animated video,
which is titled Asian's Destiny.
In 2024, there are two women who are friends from high school, named Inaya and Aziza. Two friends in this year have their own activities after graduating from college. Inaya is working in a company and Aziza is a celebrity, which is famous through social media Instagram.
And at some point, something happened to Aziza's career that made this celebrity even more famous because she got a lot of endorsed offers. There is one post from Aziza's Instagram which attracted a lot of netizen attention to blaspheme her and say inappropriate words.
They blasphemed Aziza in the comment of section of Aziza Instagram, and so many fans suddenly became Aziza haters. From the many notifications that entered Aziza's handphone, she opened her handphone and read of it. How shocked she was after reading that made Aziza very sad and thought, "Am I that bad? Is there no one in this world who loves me?"
And the next day arrived where Inaya was in the office waiting to see Aziza because Inaya already knew the news on Aziza's Instagram, so she was willing to ask permission for her boss and then rushed to Aziza's apartment to find out her current condition. But first she called Aziza. "Aziza, you are in your apartment, right? I won't go to right now." Then Aziza answered her,
"Yes, Naya, I'm in my apartment." Then Inaya arrived at Aziza's apartment and invited her in, and immediately Aziza crying broke out while talking about what happened to her. Inaya calmed her down and hugged her and then said,
"Already you don't listen to what those people say. They are all evil commenting on you currently on your Instagram."
Then Inaya got some water for Aziza, and Aziza drank it. And then Inaya told Aziza to just rest because Inaya wanted to go straight to the office because she had important business to take care of that day.
And Inaya went to the office. Then Aziza lay on her bed and still always talked about the evil comments, making her dizzy and very depressed. In her head, always asking,
"Am I that bad? What is better I don't exist in this world?"
Then suddenly, not knowing what possessed her, Aziza took a rope and tied it on the ceiling of her house, then took a chair without thinking long. She immediately climbed on it and tied the rope at her neck tightly until finally a few moments made Aziza suffocated and could not breathe, and at the time Aziza died.
Then Inaya, who was in the office, felt bad for leaving Aziza in such a state. Inaya did not focus on working. She immediately left her office and went to Aziza's apartment. Arriving there, Inaya knocked on the door, but no one opened it. Then Inaya thought of opening it herself because she knew the password to Aziza's apartment. And finally, Inaya entered calling Aziza, but there was no answer, and then she entered the room. How surprised and hysterical she was to see her best friend die by suicide hanging herself.
Then, after Aziza's departure, Inaya went to the park, where the park was her favorite place with Aziza. There, Inaya sat and remembered all about Aziza and looked at the watch that was twin to Aziza's watch that they bought in high school. For some reason, there was suddenly a big light coming from the watch that made Inaya's eyes glare, and then Inaya's eyes closed because of the glare.
At that very moment, Inaya opened her eyes. She was shocked when she woke up in her room, which was her room in high school. Immediately, Inaya checked her handphone and found out what time it was, but she was very surprised to see the year 2017.
Inaya immediately rushed to school, and when she arrived in class, she saw Aziza sitting on a bench. How happy Inaya was to see that and ran to hug Aziza. But Aziza was surprised why she immediately hugged her because Inaya was not usually like this.
Subconsciously, he said to himself,
Did I come back to this year to change destiny so that Aziza doesn't die in the future? Then how I can do that?
Then an idea emerged in Inaya's head to invite Aziza to do other hobbies such as reading in the library, because initially Aziza became a celebrity because of her hobby of creating content and uploading its social media, namely Instagram.
At the end of the day, Inaya invited Aziza to read books in the library so that Aziza would not have to create such an important content.
Inaya and Aziza lived their days in high school smoothly and happily until their high school graduation arrived.
Then, day by day, they lived together at university after graduate from high school. And then come the day of their graduation from college, which was getting closer to the year 2024, and Inaya was still worried that she had not been able to change her destiny completely, but that was only a temporary worry.
After some time came the day on the same date where Aziza commits suicide, but on this occasion it didn't happen because Inaya was with Aziza all day, and more importantly, Aziza did not become a celebrity but worked with Inaya.
Inaya was also very relieved because she did not expect to be able to change fate with a long process. And finally, these two friendly people were happy and lived in peace.